If you need to update your bank account information on Kajabi, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your payments are directed to the correct account. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Access your Kajabi dashboard by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the sidebar menu. Click on it to open the settings page where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Select payment settings. In the account settings menu, find and click on payment settings. This section allows you to manage your payment methods, including bank account information. Step 4. Update your bank account information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm the updates. By following these steps, you can successfully change your bank account information on Kajabi. Always double check your entries to ensure smooth transition for your payments.